If the server is in a rack, pull back the cable management arm to gain access to the rear of the server and the power supply. Slide the connection end of the new hot swap power supply into its corresponding bay until it snaps into position. To ensure proper cooling during normal server operation, both of the power supply bays must be occupied. Any bay without a power supply must have a power supply filler installed. Ensure that both the AC power LED and the DC power LED on the power supply are lit, indicating that the power supply is operating properly.